is a graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now y is equal to x plus 1. Now we will take the values of y for x is equal to 1, 2 and 3. If we put y is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is y is equal to 2. For 2, if we put 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. If we put 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So our points are 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4.